In this video, I am going to show you how to get your 4,000 watch hours on YouTube in just 4 days. Yes, you heard that right. That's 1,000 watch hours every single day. And here is the best part. Those 4,000 watch hours won't come alone. You will also be getting your subscribers along the way. I have actually tested it on my other channel and the results blew my mind. It worked like magic and I am confident it can work for you too. Here is the thing. You've got to follow each step I am going to show you carefully. Don't skip anything and don't use any shortcut. Because if you do exactly what I am about to show you, you will look back in a few days and be glad you came across this video. Trust me, you might even come back and drop a thank you comment in the comment section. And I'm sure you will come back and drop a thank you comment in the comment section. That's how I'm sure and that's how I'm confident that this trick works magic. Learn with Lydia, and as always, I'm here to share YouTube growth tips. The kind I wish I knew before I started my very first channel, so that you can skip the mistakes and grow faster. Let's get started. Go to Google or Chrome and then type the YouTube dashboard. YouTube dashboard website will appear, then click on it. It will direct you to your channel dashboard and you see this middle part here. Let me zoom it so that you can see. Click on it. You're going to see this part that says, welcome to YouTube Live Control Room. And it's going to ask you, get set up for live now or schedule a stream for a later time. We are going to click on a later time. It will bring you again to this phase that will require you to choose the type of stream to begin. It's going to require you to choose built-in webcam or streaming software. For this case, we are going to choose streaming software. Let's click on it. Here you will see stream, webcam, and manage. Click on stream. In some cases, it brings that pop-up that suggests you say if your video is made for kids or not. In case yours brings that pop-up that suggests you clarify if your video is made for kids or not. Clarify that it's not made for kids. Even if your channel is for kids, for the sake of streaming, just say it's not made for kids. So, if yours doesn't bring that pop-up, so click on stream. It will bring you to this page. Once on this page, don't tamper with anything. Look for stream key and click on copy, this first copy. Once you click on copy, then minimize Chrome. We are going to head over to Play Store app. Click on Play Store app on your phone. On the search bar, search for Live Now. It's going to bring you the Live Now, Stream Live. Then install it in your phone. I really hope it installs faster. Once the app is done downloading, click on Open. It will bring you to this phase. Go through these phases if you have time, then come here and click on Done. It will bring you here to allow the app display over other apps. Then come and click on this arrow to go back. As you can see, this app does not work for YouTube only. It works for other apps as well, like Facebook, Twitch, TikTok, Twitter, RTMP, and so forth. It works for other apps as well. And this time we are going to be talking YouTube. We are going to be clicking on YouTube. When you click on YouTube, it will bring us to log into YouTube or stream with stream key. We are going to click on stream with stream key. Here we are going to paste the stream key we copied from YouTube Studio dashboard from the first step. We are going to paste the stream key right there, as you can see. Then click on next. When you click on next, it's going to bring you to stream camera, screen broadcast, and video. What we are going to do is to click on the video. Before we tap on the video, it is important to tap this video format into portrait. Don't leave it as landscape because portraits tend to get more views. To change it, just tap on it and it will change automatically. It will change into portrait, as you can see. Now let's move down and click on the video. When you click on video, it will tell you that the video must be under 1 GB and no longer than 60 minutes. If it can't be streamed, please convert it to MP4. That's clear. Then click on next. You have to give it access. Let's say, allow Live Now to record video while using this app. Then click on next. It's going to take you to your video storage or your video gallery. Pick a video that is in a vertical format and has no copyright issues. Let's pick on a video. For instance, let's go with this video. Above the video, you will see these arrows up here. The arrows means looping. You can choose to loop if the video is less than the required size. For instance, this video is less than the required size. So we are going to select on the loop so that it keeps looping again and again. So to get the results quickly, stream for at least 9 to 10 hours. Use a video that is your own. Don't use anyone's video to avoid copyright issues. You can click on start now to begin the live, and the video will loop again and again for the next 9 to 10 hours. Then you can come back and end the video by clicking on this X. Try it, guys, it works. Just do exactly what I have shown you, and trust me, you are going to achieve your 4,000 watch hours. After achieving your 4,000 watch hours, come back and subscribe to this channel as a way of showing your appreciation to me that I have helped you achieve the 4,000 watch hours. Catch you in the next one. Bye bye.